ever felt that you are studying English every day, but still you are struggling to speak English confidently? So friends, this video is for you. If you are a beginner and want to speak English confidently, so in this video, I will share my journey. I'm a housewife and I am learning English by myself with the help of ChatGPT and another AI tools. In this video, I will show how you can use ChatGPT to improve your personal English speaking. You can improve your grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation with the help of ChatGPT at home. So learning English by ChatGPT. So friends, I will show how I am using ChatGPT and improving my English by self at home. Many English learners spend many years watching videos, memorizing grammar rules and learning new words. They can understand English quite well, but someone asks to speak, they become nervous. Their mind starting translating every sentence. When they can't able to speak, they lost their confidence, and this happens to thousands of learners every day. So friends, reason is simple. They don't practice English speaking consistently, and other people, they don't have English speaking environment, and many people don't know what to practice. But now you don't need to wait for anyone. With ChatGPT, you can improve your English anytime, anywhere, completely in your own pace. In today's video, I'm going to share complete 30-day English challenge that you can follow step by step and improve your learning English. If you don't idea how to start, what to speak, so friends, I will share some tips with you how I am learning English by doing my household work, taking care of my family, taking responsibility of my all over family. So friends, first of all, friends, in this video, every activities is designed to improve your communication skill and it helps to think in English, and you can improve your English very easily and very simple way. Don't be practice randomly. You will have daily clear plan what to practice. Challenge is divided into 4 simple parts. In the first week, you will learn the simple way to how to speak English easily. And in the second week, you will improve your grammar and conversation. In the third week, you will learn more vocabulary and English, improving grammar. Third week, you will speak more naturally with a simple vocabulary, and in the final week, you will feel that you are speaking English very confidently and easily. Friends, every week I will give you an idea how you can practice English with ChatGPT. I will give you a prompt idea what you have to say with ChatGPT and improve your daily English conversation. Friends, only remember one thing, you will have to consistent till 30 days, and on 30 days you will realize that you are speaking English very confidently and easily. If you want to become an English fluent speaker, so you have to practice daily with daily simple sentences just like hello, yes, how are you, I am going, I am coming, I am waiting, I am going to market, I am eating food. This type of small sentences you try to speak. Speak this type of small sentences every day without fear. You have to practice daily. I am also a housewife and English learner. I am learning English by using ChatGPT and improving my English day by day. So friends, if I can do it, then you can do it too. I can start my journey from zero. So you can also start this journey and be a part of my journey. We will learn English together and one day we will speak confidently. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, so please share this video those who need it and make sure to subscribe my channel. In next week, I will give you some daily routine simple sentences morning to evening, whatever we speak with a simple word to improve your daily conversation. So friends, meet you in next video. Upload two video in a week. First video on Monday and second video on Friday at evening 4 p.m. So friends, be a part of my journey and thank you for your love and support. Meet you in next video. Till then, take care and be confident. Speak English every day. Thanks for watching my video.